Hi everyone. This is not a campaign to start an organization from scratch. We have been running this Divyanga Kala Kendra, which is a non-profitable institute for specially abled children. We don't take any form of fees from parents. It is not just a school but also an art center where these students are taught harmonium, tabla, dance, acting, singing, music, sculpture, etc. These children made a very good progress since last 3 months. But due to floodings which took place in Thane on 29th of August, gave a tremendous blow. Situation is so dreadful that we are shooting this video outside of our premises. All sort of equipments, musical instruments, cameras, laptops, cameras which were brought to teach them photography, books, notebooks, drawing books, a digital classroom system, a special sitting arrangement as these students are not physically able as we human beings are. Laptops, computers which took record of their progress. These things are damaged and are beyond repair. These children have nothing left but 4 walls which are unable to teach. They saw their dreams floating on the flood water on 29th of August. It took 20 years for organization to form. It took 20 years of organization to form the school and Abhinay Katta. Abhinay Katta, which is a secondary movement where artists from all over Maharashtra perform their art and are given stage to perform it in front of audience. Neither artist nor audience are charged for this show, which takes place every Sunday since last 6 years. Both of these, Divyanga Kala Kendra and Abhinay Katta, run under a non-profitable organization, Aditya Pratishthan, which has been working in society since 20 years. All damaged things, electronics, equipments were donated or were personally financed by President Sri Kiran Nagti. Now it's our duty towards society to help these students and to make them feel that they are equal. It's our responsibility to bring back smile on their faces. Peace.